Are you looking for the best Christmas tree? In this video we will look at some of the best Christmas tree on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 4.5 foot pre-lit potted flocked Arctic fir artificial Christmas tree. Deck the halls with the 4.5 foot pre-lit potted flocked Arctic fir artificial Christmas tree. Inspired by lush wintry forests, this artificial tree has 419 branch tips, 187.232 PVC, and 70 incandescent clear lights. The incorporated lights means no more climbing ladders to string lights, saving decorating time. When a single bulb burns out, the other lights on the strand will stay lit for your convenience. We recommend changing the burnt bulb to prevent future outages. Hypoallergenic and needle shed resistant, the tree is a great alternative to a yearly real tree purchase. With easy to assemble pieces and an included base, your house will be ready for the holidays faster than you can say rockin' around the Christmas tree. Measures 4.5 foot high x 24 inch diameter. 13 pounds. Number 2. New DIY Christmas tree. Adjustable branches meet DIY requirements. You can bend branches and trees into any shape or more natural tree shape as needed. It can be used indoors. It is suitable for decoration of family, bedroom, living room, balcony window, office, children's room, restaurant, porch, pavilion, shelf, Christmas, New Year, party, birthday, wedding and dinner. Ultra bright, low power consumption. The controller can select 2 modes, normally on or flashing. The lamp beads are waterproof and can be used outdoors. Branches are flexible, and you can adjust them, twist them, or pull them up or down to create your own natural appearance. Vase decoration, windows, porch, living room, dining room, etc. Number 3. Decorations artificial Christmas tree. Made of and non-flammable PVC material, the leaves are harmless to human body and ensure the safety of use. Combining superior materials and exquisite craftsmanship, the Christmas tree is not only wondrous and realistic, but also resistant to pressure and not deformed easily, providing you with long-term service. The snow flocked tree is equipped with an X-shaped iron stand that improves stability and keeps the tree upright all season. Compared to other plastic bases, the metal base is more stable and resistant to breakage, providing stronger support throughout the year. Besides, the sturdy metal stand is foldable to facilitate storage. There is no doubt that the brilliant Christmas tree is a glamorous decoration for any place. You can put it at home to make your room full of Christmas flavor and enjoy Christmas with your family pleasantly. Or it can be placed in commercial places such as shops, hotels, etc. to attract the attention of the guests and make your business better. Number 4. 7.5 feet snow flocking Christmas. The pre-lit flocked Christmas tree is designed with 450 warm white and colorful LED lights, and there exist 8 dynamic lighting modes for you to choose from, providing a fantastic lighting show for your Christmas holiday. Let's revel to the fullest. Decorate this flocked Christmas tree together and enjoy sweet fun. All branches and tips are made of premium flame retardant PVC, which makes them durable and safety. Both the trunk and the stand are made of iron, ensuring sturdy and balanced placing. Put the artificial Christmas tree together in just 3 steps. Firstly, simply connect the base to the largest section of the tree before attaching the remaining sections and easily fluffing the branches. Finally, connect the light strings of each section to complete the assembly. Whether it's placed in the home, office, school, commercial area, or any other indoor space, this Christmas tree with lights blends seamlessly with any decor style, and let it shine all night in the worth celebrating festival. Number 5. New Year Encrypted Christmas Tree. The ultimate tool for creating stunning and professional-looking carpets and rugs with ease. Our revolutionary design allows for cutting pile and loop pile in a single machine, making it the perfect choice for all your tufting needs. Crafted from high-quality materials and built to last, Our tufting gun is the perfect combination of precision engineering and robust construction. Its versatile design allows you to create a wide variety of textures and patterns, from the thinnest cut pile to the thickest loop pile, with just a few simple adjustments, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. The tufting gun is designed to help you achieve stunning results quickly and easily. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight construction ensure comfortable use, while its intuitive controls make it simple to operate.